Oh, here we are. This is update film number 2. I don't know if you can see that, but we have a print. I'm very pleased with that. Now what's saved today? 3M duct tape. As you can see it there, like I put it on the bed plate. Just gave it a lot of covering to see how it would work. And that is spot on. Well, when it's finished, we'll move to that scene and we'll see what happens then. Oh, there we go. 100%. There's a few bits of hair on it. Oh. Let's break that raft off. Just have, well, sadly the raft didn't come cleanly off of it on the bottom there, as you can see. Otherwise, very sharp, crisp corners. There's not too much lining, which I'm very pleased about. As you can see, the raft, it was just really not it was not coming off. Here's the bag of micro switches that I bought for this. That is now building the second print, the second test file. So what we'll do is we'll wait for that to finish and we'll have a look at that. Well, we're coming up to the end of the last print, 99%, and we've had a bit of a boo-boo. I don't know if you can see that, it's shifted. I have no idea why. I've got to find out why. It's not shifted so much on that axis, but you can see it where it's kind of it's very strong. Again, I'm not sure if this PLA I'm using is the right stuff, because it's not breaking off cleanly. It's quite hard. Well, I'll play around with the settings and that, but you know, I mean, it is printing pretty well. It's just somewhere there, like, you know, as you can see, it's just kind of lost its way a bit. It's like shifted. I'm not sure how this design's supposed to be. But it's very strong. Well, let's say goodnight to it. That is off. This is supposed to be a mobile phone stand. But we shall see what I can do with that. Right, signing off now. I'll see you in the next one.
A few inches later.
Oh, you thought you got rid of me, but not quite yet. Right, Well, there it is with most of the raft broken off. As you can see, that's a bit, I mean, it's a bit dicky wampus, but it does do the job. And just to show you why I like this PLA, glowy. So I'm going to look into the settings to find out why that done that, why it shifted like it did. I've got most of the raft off. This is actually very, very clean. Right, it's got very nice sharp corners and everything. Very solid as well. But there you go. I am gone for good. I am gone until the next video. Like so. Toodle bits, skis. See you in the next one.